Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the process of sending an avatar in WhatsApp chat. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and ensure you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Open a chat with the person or group you want to send the avatar to. Step 3. Tap on the emoji icon located in the text input field. Step 4. Next, tap on the picture of your avatar. This will open a selection of available avatars. Step 5. Select the desired avatar and simply tap on it. As soon as you tap it, it'll be sent in the chat. Sending avatars in WhatsApp chats is a fun way to express yourself and add a personal touch to your conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy chatting and avatar sending.